In today's video, I'm going to be replacing out the brakes on a 2005 Ford Focus. And this car is really rusty. But if you haven't already, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, as well as check out my channel content for more. Hey, when it comes to cars, have fun! I am a little congested today, and so I'm not going to really do a big brief and intro to this or the outro, but I will tell you that this car is extremely rusty. And it is just wowzers. Now, I did replace the brakes and the additional component, which will be in a later video. It's not that hard to replace the brakes on a 2005 Ford Focus. It is just, if the car's not 20 years old, then why would you, oh my gosh. As I said, this thing was just rusty, but it's normal, because I live in the Michigan Salt Belt, and this is a normal car that comes in on an average basis. So, without further ado, I'm going to just go right into it. Clip. Almost. There it is.
Well done.
Got that one. And that one got stuck. Yes, that's how I feel.
Look at that rust.
Rust.
Actually, I don't think that she, well, it doesn't mean, you know, she run, she did fine. I don't think she sorry about not being an actress.
I think she is still.
Oh, Dale.
He's living the good life, though. He was in a couple of shows.
Who is he? Now, he's done a lot of stuff, but I can't remember the name quite.
I can't either. Daniel Radcliffe.
Daniel
Radcliffe.
Radcliffe. There we go. Thank you.
Been in a lot of things.
Oh, yeah, he's good. He's good. It is good.
The guy who played Ron, I haven't seen him in anything.
No, Ron has not been doing.
And then that heat wave and
Yeah, the heat wave, I didn't have any.
the bags and boxes in my house.
Okay. No, it's just an old style and it will actually work.
Is it the metal style?
Yeah, it's all metal.
The head buster or whatever?
No, I don't know if it's a head buster, but anyway. Yeah, well,
I can't answer. I don't know what they're doing. Gonna go clean these up on the wire wheel. .21 foot-pounds. Gonna mark the bolts after I torque them, like I normally do. I install dust cap 1, number 2. Nicely.
that's not a machete.
I know,
that's a
I
butcher.
had
Yeah.
a machete in Madagascar. I know machete.
But yeah.
That's as close as I've seen. Dang, I could kill him.
Oh yeah.
Kill. Oh. Is it? Yeah.
Okay. Tire. But it's kind of it runs.
Okay, so how is that? It's not that bad to replace front brakes and rotors. Now, though I only showed the passenger side on this '05 Ford Focus, well, you replace both of them as a pair. Now, I know there's going to be people that tell me, oh, I can just replace the brake pads and that's fine. While that is okay, in retrospect, if the brake rotor has been machined and it has a non-directional finish and it's been machined to its acceptable measurement or acceptable minimum thickness, then yes, you are okay. But if you're going to pad slap, that's not okay to me. The other half of that is sticking new brake pads, new rotors on old brake pads. Same thing, not safe. Don't do it. Just fork the money out for the rotors, fork the money out for the brake pads. You get the whole thing's done. It's not that bad. So don't do that. It's just drastically unsafe. And somebody was thinking about doing it to that Ford Focus. No. Otherwise, it was overall a really simple process. I had no issues whatsoever, besides the little spring on the passenger side going bad. I mean, the driver's side came apart just like that. This one here, oh gosh, I probably should have replaced those anchor bolts too. But, you know, a little Loctite here and there, and I apologize about the crummy video. But, you know, I've been feeling out of it just a little bit, so, I mean, that's kind of a reflection of this, just that. But overall, it's a simple process. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, as well as check out my channel content for more. And I'm back!